Hello everyone, Science 1 Standard 10, Lesson number 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. This is 13th video of this lesson, and in this video we'll see the factors affecting the rate of the chemical reaction. The next one is size of the particles of reactant. We'll take example. Take pieces and the powder of Shahabadi tiles in equal weight in 2 test tubes. Add 10 ml dilute HCl in each test tube and observe whether effervescence of CO2 is formed at a faster or slower speed. You must have found in the above activity that CO2 means carbon dioxide effervescence is formed slowly with the pieces of Shahabadi tiles, while at the faster speed with the powder. Means from this example we can say that the rate of the reaction depends on the size of the particle of the reactant taking part in the reaction. Smaller the size of the reactant particle, higher is the rate of the reaction. Why this is? Because if the solid is divided into smaller pieces, then there is a greater surface area. Therefore, more particles are able to react and the reaction rate increases. So, the smaller the size of the reactant particle, higher the rate of the reaction. So, size of the particle of the reactant influence the rate of the reaction. Next, concentration of the reactant. Let's consider one example. The reaction of dilute and concentrated hydrochloric acid with calcium carbonate powder. Dilute HCl reacts with calcium carbonate powder. The dilute HCl reacts slowly with calcium carbonate and thereby calcium carbonate disappears slowly and carbon dioxide liberates slowly. Okay, and whereas concentrated acid react fastly than dilute acid. So this means, the rate of the reaction is proportional to the concentration of the reactant. This means if the concentration is high, the rate of the reaction is high. If the concentration is low, that is dilute solution, then rate of the reaction is also slow. Means concentration of the reactant influence the rate of the reaction. Next one, temperature of the reaction. Temperature of the reaction also influence the rate of the reaction. In earlier video we already saw the one example, that is setting milk into a curd. In winter this reaction required long time period, while during summer, there is a at high temperature, means while at high temperature in summer the rate of setting of milk increases due to increasing temperature. So this example shows that the temperature is also influence the rate of the reaction. So increase the temperature, a reaction takes place at increase the rate of reaction. At higher temperature, children see, at higher temperature particle can collide more often and with more energy, and which makes the reaction takes place more quickly. So if we increase the temperature, the rate of the reaction will be increased or is increased. Okay. We'll see the second example, decomposition of limestone. In this activity, the lime water does not turn milky before heating the limestone. So we have to provide a heat. Okay, so from this to above example, we can say that the temperature affect the rate of the reaction.